So in today's video, we're going to look at looping through sheets in a workbook. So here I have a workbook. You can see there's a lot of different tabs on there, or sheets, whatever you want to call them. But we're going to loop through all of the sheets. We're going to start off with a simple example. So this is not necessary. I could have also done this in an object, but I've claimed my variable as WS sheet as worksheet. I also have int count as an integer. Again, not really necessary to actually declare those variables, but we have for this. And then what I'm essentially going to say is for each WS sheet, again, that could be any value, for each WS sheet in this workbook dot sheets, and then I'm just going to go next. And then I'm going to count each worksheet that there is, and at the end, I'm going to display the number of sheets. So if I run this, there are 15 sheets in this. So that's a pretty simple example. All right, let's add something to this. So now we want to do WS sheets dot name equals sheet and sheet name and int count. So what this is going to do is each time it gets to a new sheet, it is going to rename that sheet to sheets name, sheets.name. So if I scroll through, sheets.name. I need to put this afterwards, after this. So we'll get int count to equal 1 to start, and now we rename this. Oh, I've got sheets, not sheets. Sorry about that. So now we're going to continue to loop through. So you can see that's now sheet name 1, next one sheet name 2, and so on. Let's also add something in here where we're going to hide every other one. So sheet name, or let's say the rest of them that are left. Dot visible equals, and you can see there's some different options here. We're going to do Excel sheet hidden. So what that's going to do is, if I pull this up a little bit, is every sheet for the rest of this, it's going to rename it. I'm actually not going to rename anymore. It's going to hide them. So it's hiding all the sheets that exist. And now I've only got 3 sheets existing. And then that's the end of the code. So those 15 sheets, many of them have been hidden. So this is really good if you want to show these. So instead of doing this, I want to do equals Excel sheet visible. So sometimes I will get workbooks and they've got many hidden sheets. I can unhide all these. In the new 2021, you can actually do multiple select and drag. In previous versions, you had to do this one at a time, which was quite a pain. So the unhide through this code was quite useful, because then you can just run this, and there, that now unhid all those sheets, and those are now available for view. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.